How to fix Events tab not showing on Facebook. So if you want to fix the Events tab not showing on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook. Once you open up your Facebook, now you need to go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Scroll down, go with Settings and Privacy, or just go with Help and Support and tap on Report a Problem. And again, continue to report a problem. And it will start creating a report, so just wait for a few seconds. And now tap on Include or Don't Include, whichever you're comfortable with, and choose an option in which you're facing the problem. So you can simply choose any option that you're comfortable with. So I'll be just choosing Profile, and here you need to describe the issue. So you need to write, I'm unable to view the Events tab on my profile, so kindly assist in resolving this issue. Once you've written that, you can upload some screenshots by tapping on Upload from Profile and then go with Send. And after that, it will be sent, and Facebook might help you with some instructions through mail. So that's how you can fix your Events tab not showing on Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.